Hello artist, welcome back to my channel Focus Art and Craft by Shweta. Today I am teaching you G letter. G letter, when you start, always write down a first overstroke and connect like this. Then using a descending loop, slowly down, then you go up, thin line width. I will write down a downside also, more practice for. If you like a brush pen calligraphy, I have uploaded my channel upside 30 videos, a step by step. Follow me a video with, so you learn easily in just 30 days. It's very easy calligraphy, brush pen calligraphy. Now see H letter. When you write down H letter, first start with ascending loop, slowly down. Now you write down here compound turn for H letter and lightly up. Okay, two more time. Practice a downside also. First ascending loop for H letter, then you go up, slowly down and lightly up. Again H letter for ascending loop, you go downside, lightly up, you go downside, then you go up. It's okay. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.